I built Metal Forge because, honestly, I don't know how to use metal shaders at all. Every shader effect I've shipped, I made by asking Claude Code to write the code for me. That works until I want to tweak something, a color, the speed, the shape. Then I'm back asking Claude again, and again. So I thought, what if there was a website where I just play with the sliders live, and when I'm happy with the result, I copy the code and drop it into Xcode. And this is exactly what we can do in Metal Forge. On the left side, we have all the effects. Right now we have only 5, but I will add more each week. And on the right side, we have the settings. Some of the effects have multiple shapes and styles. For example, the first one have circle shape or star, and 4 different styles we can choose from. When you're happy with the result, click on the Code tab, copy Metal Code, open Xcode, add a new Metal file, paste the code inside. Let's go back to the Metal Forge. Scroll down to Swift UI code, copy, and replace it with Content View. Let's see one more effect. This one don't have much options, but we can play with colors and see what will happen. I think I can make it look like water, but I need to choose the right colors. Okay, almost look like water, and I think it will be nice for background animation. And one last thing, I would like to hear your feedback to improve the website, and I will keep adding more effects soon.